Mona o ibone ka M4 ya teng wena. Wena. Jo ra rekisa ba reka. Wena o re na le M4. Why did you start selling robot ninja when 2 years back you said you will never sell a robot? The real reason of selling a robot, guys, is because I was made to believe into a robot. But 2 years back, who was selling a robot? Because they were selling indicators. 2025, they're selling robots. So that's when I started researching. Okay, cool. I think most of the time it's me plugging Sonic and say, check. This is why I started investing into a robot, because Sonic, bro. Oh, fast. Vaile jo. Vaile jile dust jo. Jile dust like ifufile tsamaile. You understand? Sometimes, guys, a lot of things in life need sacrifice. Some of the things you're not gonna get them today, right? But over 5 years to come, that's when you're gonna be able to explain certain things. Yeah, you understand? Are you not rich? Hey, bro, me, I'm rich to you, but to myself, I'm not. Me, I want millions, my brother. How old are you again? Hey, bruh, me age I just choose. Today I can be 23, next week 25, and the other day 21. Which age do you want me to be? We choose, Baba, here. It's not a problem. Hey, of you what's saying, or ninja. Okay, let's do something. Let's do a proper challenge. Request and tell me that straight, if it's possible. Because I can't read what you just said. It's so powerful, but you can request, I accept you, you say that. And then after Mourinho, then what did you gain? The Sunday, Warwana, some of the things you need to be taught in your family. And sometimes when you come out like that, you are embarrassing your family and you don't realize that. Tomorrow you're going to wake up and ask for bread from your parents. You understand? So sometimes, guys, certain things like that, just a request and we accept you. You say, I want to tell you something bad, and then we accept you. You say that, and then we ask you, what did you gain? Background, you see in my studio there's a shower, in my house there's every room has a shower and a bathroom. I think I have like 1, 2, 3, 4. You understand? Nobody disturbs anybody. Okay, we have more than 30, but some of the things, guys, I can't read, guys. Fuck off when you trade them. Bro, like, I'm sitting in a studio that is worth 200,000, mona. Guys, because of you selling a robot, a signal, you pass it. Where do you live now? Still in PTA? Bro, I live everywhere, my brother. What delays most of traders having capital, though they have skill based on your experience? I don't know, bro. Some of the things I can't really answer. Some of the things I can't really answer, bro. Like, I think trading is really spiritual, my brother. Understand? Not all of us are going to make it. You know? And some will make it, and some will fall, and some will go back to where they started. And at the end of the day, I think this slide is making my eye red, and I don't want to wear glasses in a few years. What happened to... Nothing happened, my brother. Nothing happened. Did we say something happened? Nothing happened. I think these things of people not really understanding this game, it gives a problem of how much is... Leave them, ninja. My advice with marriage. Any advice with marriage? Any advice with marriage? Yo. What kind of advice do you want, brother? I just recently got married and we're in our honeymoon phase. Nandi now, we're just flying. I don't know. I haven't arrived to where the people are complaining at. Everything is still no. Everything's not relaxed. No. Once I arrive to those moments, then I'll give you an advice. Now I'm still in a happy phase. Honeymoon. Nandi baba. Just floating. So I don't know, bro. Like, I feel like people were lying when they say, hey, don't be married. Hey, I.